Try that. I don't know if masarap. Just only try, ah. There is also guava.
I don't like guava.
I know you don't like.
I don't know.
This one is strawberry.
Lychee.
Lychee.
Oh, and mangosteen.
Oh, this one.
What is that?
Mango.
You take one, please.
It's better this one. I try this one. Shopping in the Asian stores, guys. Run Asia store. Yeah. Bawat produkto may nakalagay na flag, guys. Kaya alam mo kung saan yung produkto natin, produkto ng India, ito sa atin ito. Oh, diba? You want this? Green peas.
Yeah.
Oh, one. More. How about the boy bawang? There is this one is spicy flavor. Tingnan mo to sa guys. Love niya yung Filipino product. Yung aking partner, guys. Oh, take also not spicy for me.
Yeah,
What
what is your rate?
yeah. This one. Maybe one this one. Hey, lechon. No, I don't like that because it's maybe it's salted. This one butter.
Butter flavor.
Yeah. Uy, look good that guy. Expensive. Oh my God.
You know the Rainasia is expensive.
Yeah, because imported na, huh? Imported.
You need
From
fita?
no, not fita. That
Skyflakes?
Skyflakes for the breakfast sometimes.
Why you don't eat the Maserap Belgian crackers? They have no taste.
It's okay. I like this. No, you want one pack chicharon?
Yeah.
Very good.
Chicharron, yeah.
Ah,
There's also
why there is no
Pinoy.
chicharon from Philippines, no?
there is Pinoy chicharon.
That one, Pinoy. But small pack.
Hot and spicy.
This is Pinoy.
That's good.
Because this one, guys, is from the
That one.
Denmark. This one, Denmark.
Barbecue taste Maserap.
Yung one? From Denmark yan. Sana meron din tayo. Ang dami nating mga chicharon doon. Marami tayong chicharon sa Pilipinas. Sana mag-export po tayo dito.
You want fish for your Pinoy?
No, because there is a frozen store also there. Frozen fish store. Seafood pala, seafood. Ayan, marami dito, guys. Mga siumay. Ayan, siumay, siopaw. Ito yung siumay, dim sum. Kung sa ano pa, Chinese dim sum. Sa atin siumay. It's okay.
Yeah, promo on the two.
Yeah, from.
That's the vinegar you want anyway, no?
No, the brand is Dato Puti. The
Then
other
we
there.
take another one.
Only one. There, we take one bottle. Mamasita, mamasita. Ito yung Dato Puti. Mas gusto ko kasi ito guys kasi ano mas maasim ito kaysa Silver Swan nga vinegar. Kaya mas gusto ko tong Dato Puti. This one bottle. Bagoong.
Yeah, you need bagoong and then take that.
Bagoong.
Shrimp paste.
Ayun, maybe one. Dagupan. Brands. Puro pala dagupan. Hindi naman ganyan. Sometimes. Hindi ba? Sometimes mag-ulam tayo ng bagoong pag namimiss natin. Tingnan mo yung sardinas dito guys, o Ligo. Ano bang ibang brand? Ligo lang. Ay. Kuha tayo ng ano. 2 piraso. Bili ako ng gata para minsan magbiko-biko tayo kaya putumaya. Yan. Putumaya. Wala. Tingnan nyo guys, ang daming ano dito. Hot spicy sauce. Ah, what is that? Mais. Look. We will see if the other brand. Yeah, pili ako ng ano guys. Saba. Ano lang ito. Microwave. Kasi luto na ito. Microwave lang. O kaya steam. Diba pang almusal? Ito. Bili tayo ng 2. Kasi malayo yung bilhan dito ng ano. Yan, bili tayo ng 2 pakete. 2 pack.
You want, you can have the mayonnaise.
Where you
There.
take this? Only this.
Only that,
Yeah. Oh,
So,
only this.
good.
Yeah. Walang ibang ano.
it up and the pickled garlic.
What is that? Pickle?
Pickled
Garlic.
garlic.
Pickle garlic? I don't know. I didn't taste like that.
That you should have.
Hotdog. Ayan, meron palang hotdog dito. Bili nga tayo. Agoy, mahal pala oh. Almost 10 euro ang isang pack. Ano ba yan? Super mahal talaga pag imported na guys ang ating mga produkto. Ayaw kong kukuha. Baka aangal yung aking yung aking partner. Ano kaya maglumpia ako? Maglumpia nga ako. Hindi ko ng lumpia. Lumpia tayo minsan-minsan. Ayan. Yung maliit. Ito na lang malaki. Ayan. Pieces. €5.
8,000 ยูโรเอาละตั้งอยู่ไปโรงพยาบาลนี่ค่าโรงพยาบาล2,000 ยูโรแล้ว5,000 ยูโรก็พอมาถึงตรงหลังไทยหลังตับหลังโตขึ้นไปเอามึงอาบน้ำมึงก็หายหรอมั้ง7 อันนะอันเดียวขนาดนี้
Chill.
7 อันตายแล้วให้
Original.
มึงอาบน้ำก็เสร็จก่อน
Isa na ba yung aking lumpia wrapper? Masarap ah. I will make lumpia.
That's the way. What one? Pinakurat?
Yeah, that is too much sour.
Sour.
Yeah, that's why pinakurat means too much sour.
There's also pinakurat spicy. Yeah?
That one, I think.
That's not pinakurat. Wine-wrapped.
Ano? That one is spicy, oh.
That
But the big bottle, there is no small. It's okay, ah.
in the car.
Where? Here.